Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Press On Nails by V. I am Vanessa and today I'm going to create some Halloween nails featuring Wednesday Addams. Before I put the base down, I am taking a little bit of acetone and wiping each nail to remove the shine. And then I'm putting down the base, putting 2 coats of each, so black, a nude, and a white. I use regular nail polish, so once I've put the base down, I am letting it sit overnight to dry, and then using a gel top coat and curing. I'm using a stamping plate by MDU that has some Wednesday Addams images. Once I've stamped the images that I want, I am using a lint brush and just removing those images that I don't want part of the design. I noticed with these stamping plates they are edged a little bit more, so you want to take a lighter approach when you're scraping to be able to pick up those designs a lot easier. To pick up these lines, you want to take the nail polish and just go straight down the design. Ignore me going sideways there for a second. And then just taking the stamper and doing an up and downward motion to get them straight. I did go back and add some more spiders to the thumbnail. I did feel like just having the one there was a little bit lonesome, so I wanted to balance it out and added a few more. Now that the stamping's done, I'm just letting these nails dry overnight before I top coat with a gel and cure. This is the final look of the Wednesday Addams nails. I think they turned out really nice. I think it's a nice little balance of the black and white, and I really love the different images. So please let me know in the comments below what you think. And that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is the kind of content that you enjoyed, would love if you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.